Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be talking about the double serum. I want to update you guys with infamous, or I would say famous, double serum from Clarins. Looking back in my old videos, I have noticed that I made a video about double serum from Clarins almost a year ago. And then today I decided, you know what? Wouldn't that be fun if I would sit down and then make an updated video for my, Clarins lovers out there who are very interested about the double serum. If you don't know anything about double serum, I would highly recommend to go back like 1 year from now, the video that I have made about double serum, and then watch it. I gave a lot of information about this product. I talked about the formulation, I talked about how to use the product, and what it's gonna do to your skin, and what this whole the spiel is about. Going back about 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, I had one of the most terrible skin out there. I used to break out a lot, especially on my jawline right here, and my skin texture was not good at the same time. My skin would peel because how dry and dehydrated it was. I always had to apply tons of moisturizer to kind of balance the moisture, and then when I put makeup on my skin, it would look terrible. I would be like, why it's not working? Do I have to try some other new makeup, or do I have to do something with my skincare? This is the first serum that I started using. After like 3 weeks or month passed by, I saw immense, huge difference on my skin. I saw the texture of my skin started getting better and better, and also the hydration, like the number one concern of my skin was the hydration, because I always used to have dehydrated skin. I started seeing that my skin felt very hydrated, soft, comfortable, and my makeup started applying better and better as well. I always go back to this serum. I don't know what it is, but it just holds a very special place, in my skincare routine. Maybe it's because this is a serum that actually made me really see the difference in my skin. I cannot talk too much about this product, just because when you start using the product, you do see the difference on your own. Let me in the comment below if you do have any questions about this product. I will be happy to assist you as a former employee from Clarins. Alright guys, you guys have a great day. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.